5 tips that will help manicure your mustache. Let's go. Number 1, direction. Make sure your mustache is going in the right direction as you're styling it out. And what you do, pinch your fingers, pull it to the side and give it direction of where it needs to lay and stay. Number 2, maintenance. We're gonna maintain that mustache by either clipping, trimming, or actually pulling some hairs out depending on where you want your mustache to lay and stay. So what I like to do is I like to trim up the mustache right here as I'm pulling my mustache to the side, and that gives it more of a direction and more of a style for where you guys want it. If that's gonna be the handlebar or if that's gonna be that big overgrown mustache bush. Number 3, the handlebar itself. Now there's misconceptions that it's actually pinching and twisting the mustache out, but actually you're gonna be pulling out the mustache. And what I like to do is I like to use my claw or the 3 fingers, and as I'm pinching, I'll put my middle finger in here and I'm gonna curve it up. So as I'm applying mustache wax or product, I'm gonna pull out and I'm gonna push it to the side or pull it to the side. And that way, as I'm done, this gives the mustache memory. As the nights and days go on, you really won't need that much. But in the beginning, go ahead and put yourself in a copious amount of mustache wax. Number 4, use a comb. Surprisingly enough, as the mustache grows, you're really wanting to start to use a little bit of a tool to pull out that mustache. In the beginning, it's gonna be really tough to style out that hair because there's not much memory into it. But as the days go and grow, you actually can be surprised that this is going to help you out. And what I'm gonna do is when this top portion of that mustache grows and meets that upper lip, because I like to keep everything trimmed up until this comes down to that bottom lip, I'm gonna go ahead and take my barrel brush. This one works the best in my opinion because you can actually pull, and with some heat, if you're using a hair dryer, can actually give it some memory. And I'm gonna pull it from the top to the side and bring it over to the tip of that mustache on the handlebar. So same thing with the other side. Through the weeks and months of doing this is gonna give your mustache a memory of where to be, right? And the best part about this is doing it at night, so that way when you're in the morning and you're putting things in together, you really won't need that much product to put in to the mustache. And number 5, don't be afraid throughout the day to give yourself just a little bit of product. And what I like to do is, depending on what kind of brand that you like to go through, that's beard brand, Artiest Man, Volt, doesn't matter. They usually have a small chapstick size or container of mustache wax. Go ahead and keep that in your clock pocket. And anytime you need some mustache wax, just go ahead and apply some in there and you should be good to go. And that way throughout the day, because with the elements, food, wiping off the mustache, because it's gonna happen, it's a great way to just apply a little bit of product throughout the day, and that way your mustache is looking nice, fine, and sharp. So hopefully these 5 tips help you out through your mustache growth and your game and your journey, because this is a fun part right now, because this is where I'm at. Mustache is gonna be in here for a little bit longer. We're gonna go ahead and trim up the chin tomorrow, and then by Saturday, Sunday, we're gonna knock everything off and then we'll restart again. But with that being said, you guys, thanks for coming along. I will see you guys on that flip side. See ya.